My name is Madison DeVoe. I'm a senior studio art major with a minor in design thinking and art history. I really have been channeling my experiences from the military that I had back in 2018 to 2020 before school, and being able to integrate that into my studio artwork has always been something that's been interesting to me in general. This project has really allowed me to further that into a more interactive piece and connect it through the psychology of color and emotion, and being able to create a rug that tells my narrative of, my mental health journey, makes mental health a little more accessible and digestible for people as it's a colorful, interactive experience. I'm really, really proud and happy that I applied. I think that it just gave me an opportunity to explore more of my major without having to kind of sacrifice the knowledge base, I guess, and still be able to learn how to teach myself a new skill, which is something that I can take with me into my further career. And just being able to manage my time and a budget and whatnot has been also really helpful.